Hi everyone, my name is Lucas from Spin Flowstar. Today I'll be talking about a variation of the figure eight. I call it the pinky first figure eight, and I'll show you a couple of moves on when that is useful. To start with, what we all know and love is a figure eight. Try and identify which hand you're doing your figure eight in when it's coming in towards you. And then what I want you to notice is that when you do your classic figure eight, it's actually the thumb that is leading the charge going over your hand. Right now, what we're going to do instead, it's going to seem crazy, but you're going to lead with the pinky first. So instead of starting palm up, you kind of start palm down, and you do a half twist, and then lead with your pinky going above your arm. And then keep following that movement through. The Flowstar should still be coming in towards your chest, but it should be pinky first. Now some of you might be wondering, why would you even want to learn a slightly different variation? I'll show you. There is a move that you can do with thumb first, where you wrap around your neck. The problem is it's like a little hard and your hand kind of gets in the way. Suddenly, if you know your pinky first variation and you do that exact same move but pinky first, it just feels way better and it looks cleaner as well. You get this nice little neck wrap. So to do that move, you just need to be doing pinky first. I'm using my right hand going to my left side, and then I bring it back over to my right side into pinky first still. If you spin in with the left hand, same motion, just mirror the whole move. Another reason why the pinky first variation is useful is, say I'm spinning out with the left hand. I've always liked the idea of grabbing the Flowstar here and then bringing it back around to me. Now, if you do that without doing the pinky first variation, there's always like a half twist or fold that you have to do. It doesn't feel very smooth, it doesn't link up. However, if you grab it and then make sure you spin around and start leading pinky first, there is a way that the Flowstar can keep its momentum going. So here we go. So once again, I'll show you from the back. You have your hand ready, and just remember with your right hand, it's going to be going pinky first when it passes around. Those are currently some variations that I have thought about of why the pinky first is useful. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment. If you like the video, click a like, subscribe. I've got heaps more tutorials, and I invite you to watch, learn and grow.